Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this silver platter that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by painting it with some chalk paint in the color Cascade. And I started off by doing all the edges and getting in all those little nooks and crannies that are all the way around the edge of this. And then I'm going to work my way into the center. So just getting a full coat on this. I believe I only did 2 coats on this because I used chalk paint, so it coated well. Once I have that all painted and it's dry, I'm going to take some white paint on a toothbrush, and I splattered white paint all over the entire thing, right over the Cascade color. I'm just making it look like a snowy background. Then I'm going to take my sanding block and I'm going to sand off some of the paint all the way around the edges where all of that detail work is. And I'm going to let some of that silver come back through. Once I have that all sanded off, I'm going to take this ornament from Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue that to the center here of the tray. I'm just going to run a bead of hot glue down the center of the tree trunk and then just place that right there. Then I'm going to take some polyfill and I'm going to use that at the bottom of the sign. So I'm just going to grab a small amount of it, figure out how I want it on here, and then glue it into place. And put a ton of hot glue to make sure that this is held really well and isn't flopping off. Then I'm going to take this blue snowflake that I had and I'm going to add that to the very top of the tree to cover the hole for the hanger. And then I'm going to take a few more of those same snowflakes and I'm going to glue those around the whole platter, right around the tree. And just put a little bit of hot glue on the back of each one of them and then glue them into place. Once I have those all in place, I'm going to take some faux snow. I'm going to add that to the bottom here into the polyfill. So I just took a paintbrush, kind of with my finger, kind of pushing that all through that polyfill. And then once I have that all in there, I'm going to take some glitter. I did a fine glitter and another kind of chunkier glitter. And I'm going to add that into the faux snow and into the polyfill. And kind of bang off the excess. Then I am going to add a hanger to the back of this. So I just took some silver roping ribbon that I had. And I'm going to glue that around the edges. So I'm just going to run a bead of glue on one side and then leave a loop at the top to be able to hang it. And then glue the other half on the other side. Just kind of figuring out how high I want my hanger and then gluing down the excess here. And then cutting off the excess of the ribbon. Making sure that's all pushed in very well. And now it has a cute little hanger. And then finally, I had this Let It Snow sign. I'm going to add that to the very top of here on the sign. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and it was really, really easy to make, and mostly all Dollar Tree supplies. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.